people, Chidinma and Joy not be small thing. Una not say when Chidinma not well, Joy maltreat her well. And when Joy not well last time, now wetin Joy Chidinma see do to Joy, now I see be that one. These two people no one give their self peace. These two people just they find wetin they will take bring their self down. They forget say they be pregnant woman. When Chidinma not well, where Joy they do all those things where they do, where happiness they fight with Joy. I talk and say when Chidinma go down dey okay, say Chidinma go do you back. Because when Joy not well, now what Chidinma do one too, so he pay Chidinma back. Right now Chidinma saying don't they retaliate, he don't they revenge for waiting Joy do and Tawi no they okay. These two people make una azukwarike, make una rest in Jesus' name. Make una rest. Joy with Chidinma, make una rest. Wetin be all this one? Chidinma, your elder sister they look for you. Go and meet your elder sister for your brother house. That one no one call me Mule Empire. They fear Nancy. All of them don't they fear Nancy. Nancy don't become Otutu. Chidinma, rest in Jesus' name. Rest for all this problem in Jesus' name. You be pregnant woman. Before now go put something for una self food wey una not supposed to eat. Make una rest. You and Joy, make una rest. Una too wickedness is not too much. This one they wicked, this one, the other one they wicked, this one. Make una rest. Not make una rest. Guys, please share this video when you come across this video. Chidinma and Joy, make una not rest. I still remain your humble girl, Linda Gist TV. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Linda Gist TV, and also follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you, my people.
You will not eat this food, no peace for the weekend. That's what I'm telling you now.
What's happened now? Chidinma?
Oh, no, no.
What's happened? I don't start again. I don't start again.
I don't go here for a fight or problem. My own problem is the time I know where Joy will tell me where. So now she don't call my family food from the shop.
See, I mean everybody's for Chidinma. I don't tell where you join. That one don't go.
I don't know. I don't leave Joy. Joy don't do something for
I
this.
don't tell where you join. You join.
Joy don't do something for this life. Like I know what Joy don't tell me where. You know.
Leave her. I know everything.
You know where that is.
Joy, I mean Chidinma.
What do you want to do?
Chidinma, don't tell where you join. This is don't pass. Leave her and pass. Now when you don't worry about now you don't joke. Thank God say you die. How they like all this kind of stuff?
When you say that
You will not eat this food, no peace for the weekend. That's what I'm telling you now.
What's happened now? Chidinma?
What is happening? And if you don't get, I'll go another pepper inside this food. You know it.
I don't like Chidinma. I don't tell you say you die. Why you still that?
And I will still pour it again. If you try me, I'm going to pour another sauce. In fact, it's better that I will pour inside this food. So you don't forget those about you don't do me in the town away. You have to make the speak on my food now.
That one for don't give up. Let's get our own.
I'm telling you like that. God knows me. I don't forgive him. God knows me.
You don't say no forgive her.
I will not forgive him.
No, they talk like that. No matter what you do, you will still forgive her.
food that used to be a super food, put some inside.
Food where the family food for me. You get my first piece for my mouth. That time. See, every bad way I'm going to do you one by one.
I don't tell you, not because they go revenge what you do you.
Me, I will revenge.
Now, pass it, go forgive her. Go forgive her.
Which one is past?
Go forgive her.
I need to do that forgive now.
No, I don't like what you did.
I will do everything waiting for my mind before I go set her.
Now, that's why they talk. Actually, happiness they talk.
So that's why you say I do what I do.
You know, Brian. See,
You are going to go to the
You know, this was the fire from America. You make it no first.
It don't make sense now. I need to talk to the
What you know how to work in the past, you go leave her. I don't know what you do. Now pass you go leave her. No be that can be happen, no be now happen. Who they try me to play peace for this house, and see the cost move. I don't know what you do. I don't know what you do. Now the same thing say you go forgive her. Now what you do? Now what you happen to the talk? Not peace no for this house. I don't know what you do. Joy, I tell you no rest. If not to give you money, make prepare that for that.
Which way you want to go? Don't say your friend. I have to give my one place food.
Oh, no,
place and man.
no work now.
If you don't, believe that way you want and you see today, you will get it.
Joy. I say I will give you how much you
You don't say you're giving me one. Don't be a super to buy food. Let's go possible. What don't say you're
tell me everything where you use. I will go buy it for you. Come give me
Daddy, don't lie it, please.
Don't
lie it.
Not everything where you do must revenge. Not everything where you do will come and grab back.
Ha! So.
But you pay even with me, back even with me.
Yeah, I will pay you with you, and nothing will happen.
like this way you do. I don't like I'm not telling you. I don't tell you. Beggar, make sure.
Ma, beggar. For peace. If you know what, me, ma, beggar. After all the evil went on me, he doesn't come beg me or.
Try to understand. Say there is difference between past and present. What you should not do. Forgive her. Even you offend many people. You offend many people, but we'll still forgive you. You know how many people will the best toward what you do.
Say this way, give me a you got wait.
This was the
No beg you, she go talk to you. Don't wait.
You know what you do no good. That's I
You never eat this too much. Sorry, I will like your ass.
I said I will buy you two again.
I don't need your money.
What do you want me to do now?
I don't need that. Chidinma, you eat just that you poison. Take.
Fuck it, your food. Go for
You
it.
want to eat two please us. Wait, because so when you put inside the food, you won't how you put this inside.
Please, I'm not going to fight
This kind of stuff, I know they like that. And you know, say you find trouble. You said you go apologize. You go apologize. Say what you know. You said no. Say what you do no good. I don't like what you do, Chidinma. I don't like that. This is how they organize peace. You see, the peace is where bed no day. Everywhere they come. Everywhere they come. Now you got your problem. God,
No,
joy.
I don't have a problem. Won't give joy. Like, see, the thing is saying this joy will be maltreating me.
I know when you know where. I know what you
I
I know what you should do, but now.
So now wetin give you the right to go spoil my food like the chop and go put salt inside.
I'm not even spoil your food. See, you don't say the doing works. You don't use spit on my food. Mine is just salt. Which one? Just tell me.
My own is worse.
Joy, no face.
You don't know what? You know
What I
you never come apologize to me. Say so come back. Say.
apologize you as well. How did I do?
Oh, you know what you did?
What did I do?
What did I do? What did I do now?
You know what you did.
No, this one don't balance at all. I swear.
Who dey even call me? Say who be this useless? You know where she stop calling me. I'm not.
Sometimes the government is useless.
Continue. See the this way. I don't like it. This should be the see where this should be the last time. I don't like it. Stop it. May not see stop. I may not master you. Stop. I may not master you. I dey tell you. See why I don't master you. Say we are both pregnant. Stop. I may not master you.
Jen, respect yourself. Please. Respect yourself.
But no, you cannot respect
Respect yourself. Please, I'm in the name of God.
What will you do?
I don't do my
Why
mind.
don't you respect yourself for what you
I don't do my mind finish. So
You don't do your mind.
I'll be going now.
You came to spoil my mood.
I'll be going now. Which mood?
You came to spoil my mood. I was sitting. You came to spoil my mood. You're happy now. Nice one. Thank you.
Today that was important. Just go carry her.
See, we just can take another one. No.
I do not want.
Just fine. Mama's fine. Nothing is there.
Chidinma, I don't tell you. I don't like what you do. I don't like what you do. Me, I will tell you the truth. Joy the lead for me. You don't want to believe her. What you don't have to do.
But if wait, I want to ask you. If Nami dey at the shop, Jane will still come for me strong. Why?
Must you act like that? That's why she's different. You cannot take her attitude the same. You need to separate yourself from her. She have her own lifestyle, you have your own lifestyle, and not be the same thing. And not get the same thing.
See.
So you don't think they do anything in common with her.
Just forget about everything and run, and that's it.
Joy, no verse here. I know the way to. Make I give you. If not to go buy the food stuff, I will go buy it for you. Not every time I will get one of this house.
Anyway, I don't care you made this year.
See, Chidinma.
I don't care you see, give this year.
I will not try to know how this house will get in peace. Now you see they bring her out. Now you see they bring her. You don't know what you do.
So how do you feel now when you just cut out my food?
Cover with food.
I don't like saying you are evil. People say you are evil. You see, get my God. The same way. Let me tell you something. I don't want to get issue with you, Chidinma. I don't want to have an issue with you. This should be the first and the last time you ever attempt this useless time rubbish you do today. Just stop it. And secondly, go and tell. Actually, go tell Nancy maybe this man from station. That same energy. Go and tell Nancy to release Belly from station. The same way Nancy not the same.
No, I'm like you, I just said if you nasty wife that you have all the rights. I just said just go and come meet Nancy to see and for Ben will stay in that place, stay in jail and rot in jail, and nothing will happen. 1 year you will stay there and you cannot do anything.
1 year.
I just said you I come meet Nancy.
What today? I'll bet you before this weekend, Melo will be back. It will shock you.
Hey, God.
It will shock you.
It's a very bad. Go and tell my son now to release him, man. For me, I cannot go. Now, very I don't come for this happen. Everyone are there in peace. You know like
Everybody, today I want to start my food like the show.
You know like